Studio. In this video, you'll see us put together some Ikea furniture. Some much needed meditation because putting together Ikea furniture can get stressful. A few exercise warm-ups and we are ready. The first item is this Kvissle or Kvissle, and it is a paper tray. The instructions look simple enough. Let's see what really happens.
So what they're saying right here is if you don't know how to build the thing they call Ikea.
As my son said, you can definitely give Ikea a call if you are having an issue putting together the item that you purchased. If someone ever makes a mistake and misplaces their Ikea assembly instructions, they can actually visit the Ikea website and be able to download a PDF of the assembly instructions. Then reprint it if you want. This white paper tray could easily fit on any desktop, and it is lightweight, but it's sturdy enough to hold reams of paper in each tray. You can just pull out each tray and insert the paper. It gives easy access to it. I have seen paper trays similar to this in offices and art classrooms. I am so excited that I found this at Ikea. I know it's going to help me organize my papers and stickers and other items inside of my art studio. That's how you know that I am truly an adult, is because I'm so happy about making a purchase that will help me organize. This was extremely easy to put together. It was so easy to put together that I believe my son could have put it together on his own. As long as someone has the ability to build Lego blocks, I believe that they can do this. This actually took only 6 minutes to put together. I must say that this was the easiest item that I have ever purchased from Ikea and put together. Last step in the instructions were to add these little glue dots to the bottom of here. But since I am going to be putting this on more than one desk, then I decided not to do that right now. This is Mackapar, and I believe that this is the only item that I can pronounce that Swedish word correctly. Here are the assembly instructions. Ikea is known for not having any instructions in their instruction manuals as far as words. So when I seen words in here, I thought, oh, they finally have directions in here, but no, that's a warning. There's a warning in here in many different languages. The warning goes as follows. Important information. Read carefully. Keep this information for further reference. Serious or fatal crushing injuries can occur from furniture tip over. To prevent this furniture from tipping over, it must be permanently fixed to the wall. However, Ikea does not include any fixing devices in this box. You have to purchase your own. And their statement for That reason of not including the box is fixing devices for the wall are not included since different wall materials require different types of fixing devices. This is a coat rack that also comes with a storage area at the bottom for shoes. I am going to use it mostly for my scarves, hats, and a few shoes.
Almost done.
I thought that this would be the most complicated item that I purchased from Ikea to put together, but it actually took us about 15 minutes. It wasn't bad at all.
Last item.
Next item is this Knapper, or just Knapper. It is a white mirror. On the back of this floor mirror, there is an area where I can hang my headbands, some scarves, or possibly even a couple of shirts. Here are the instructions to put it together. The instructions consist of a few numbers and lots of line drawing illustrations. Since my youngest son took a snack break, my oldest son came and assisted me with the rest of the mirror. This took about 12 minutes to put together. I think it took a little longer time because I was trying to be gentle with the mirror. I definitely did not want to break it.
Perfect!
One of these A-bars was so difficult to place on the back of the mirror. If you purchased this, please let me know if you had the same difficulty. Please excuse the fact that one of my pants legs and my shorts are raised higher than the other. It's because I clearly have large legs, including thick thighs. Therefore, it happens. And I was busy working on this Ikea furniture, so during the recording of this video, I had no idea that my pants look like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch my next video.
Goodbye.